Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use Skool for a subscription business. Whether you're selling courses, coaching, or exclusive content, this method helps you earn recurring income online. First, sign up on Skool and create a community for your subscribers. This will be the hub where your members join and access all your exclusive content. Next, set up your classroom and modules. Organize your lessons, videos, guides, or templates so members can easily follow your content. Now, set your subscription plan. You can charge monthly or yearly and restrict content so only paying members can access it. This ensures recurring revenue. Engagement is key. Post updates, start discussions, and answer member questions. Active communities keep subscribers happy and reduce churn. Finally, share your subscription community. Promote it on social media, email, or your website. The more members join, the more recurring revenue you generate. And that's it. Using Skool for a subscription business is really that simple. Organize your content, engage your members, and start earning recurring income today.